Hi, this is Mr. Rutherford. In this problem, we will learn to write an equation given roots. Write a quadratic equation with -3/4 and 1 as its roots. Write the equation in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a, b, and c are integers. So we're given that the roots are -3/4 and 1. The pattern that we're going to use is going to be x minus p in parentheses times x minus q in parentheses equals 0, where p and q are our roots. So we'll say that p is equal to -3/4 and q equals 1. So let's substitute these two values into our equation. So we'll have x minus -3/4 times x minus 1 equals 0. Now let's simplify by eliminating these parentheses on the inside of the left side. So a negative is a positive, so we'll have x plus 3/4 times x minus 1 equals 0. I'll begin by first multiplying the x times x on the right and times -1. So I'm distributing the x. So x times x is x squared, and x times -1 is -x. Then we have 3/4 times x and 3/4 times -1. So we'll have plus 3/4 x minus 3/4, and this equals 0. Now we need to simplify by adding any like terms. X squared will come down. Notice -x and 3/4 x are like terms. -1 plus 3/4 is -1/4, so therefore we'll have -1/4 x. So this will read x squared minus 1/4 x, and then minus 3/4 equals 0. Now notice it says where we want to have a, b, and c as integers. Right now notice our b is a fraction and our c is also a fraction. So what we can do is we can multiply both sides of the equation by our denominator, which notice is 4, and this will eliminate the fractions. And we'll do this to both sides of the equation. So I distribute the 4 to the inside to each term. So we have 4 times x squared will be 4x squared. 4 times -1/4 x will give us -1x, or just -x. And 4 times -3/4 will give us -3. On the right side of the equation, 4 times 0 is 0. So here is our quadratic equation in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0.